So it's no secret that gamers can sometimes be a little bit toxic.
Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, oh, fuck you!
Myself included.
Good grief, would y'all shut up?
But I want to be a little bit more positive going forward. So today I'm going to create an AI system that's going to analyze what I say, and if I say anything that's even remotely toxic, the AI system will correct me
Toxic!
like that. So let's get started. So we're going to be writing the bot in Python, just because that's my bread and butter language. I know this language the best, and it's pretty easy to use. And we're also going to be writing the bot so it's actually run through Discord. The reason I'm doing that is so that if we want to add this bot into a server in the future to another of my friends, we can. It'll be super easy. So let's continue on with the video. So first things first, we're going to make a simple hello world bot to understand how to collect information from Discord and start to learn the Python API for it. For this first version of the bot, all we're going to do is we're going to start it up, and anytime it hears a message in any of the text channels, it's going to respond with hello world. That's it. Super simple. Write a passage for every programmer. Luckily in PyCord, this is super simple to do. We just got to register the bot on Discord and get our bot's key. Then in Python, all we got to do is write a few callbacks that's going to listen for messages and send messages back. And now that we have all that written, let's go ahead and test this version of the bot. You know what? I'm going to count that as a win. Moving on, don't question it, just keep going. Now that our bot can receive and send text message in Discord, it's time to start playing with audio. To get this bot to work, we both need to send and receive audio, but we're going to treat that as two separate tasks. So first up, we're going to learn how to stream YouTube audio straight into Discord through our bot. Luckily, doing this is actually pretty straightforward. With packages like YouTube Downloader and PyCord helping us manage our audio to and from the different sources, all we really have to do is connect them together in Python, which is actually a lot more straightforward than I thought it was going to be. So with that code written, let's go ahead and hop into Discord and test it out. Okay, bot is online. We're in the voice channel. Let's see if this works here. Wait. Wait. Wait a minute. Something's not right. You know what? I'm kind of vibing to it though. Why does this sound so good? Lesson learned. Make sure your sampling rate is correct. Moving on. Now that we can send audio, it's time to receive and then transcribe the audio. This really could be seen as two different parts, but we're going to go ahead and tackle them both at the same time. So the way that the voice works in PyCord is we're able to receive packets from each individual user's stream. What that means is that each user has their own audio stream where we pull data from. This way we're not just getting one big audio stream with everybody's voices all combined together. That makes it a lot easier for us to transcribe it. Trust me, trying to transcribe different voices in one audio stream is a nightmare. We're not doing voice diarization. We ain't messing with that. So once we actually have the audio data, we can then run it through a voice to text program, something like OpenAI's Whisper, which is what we're going to use on this project. And lucky for us, Whisper is actually an open source model on Hugging Face, so we can download it and use it locally. For this initial test, all it's going to do is it's just going to output the intermediate transcriptions as it's generating them, just so we can tell that it works. But we'll also include some callbacks into the Python code so that we can plug future functions into this process in the future. So I actually don't have footage of me coding up this part, but here's the code. So let's go ahead and hop into Discord and test this out. Perfect. Bot is live. Let's get it into the channel. All right, testing transcription. Bot, can you hear me? Yes. Oh my God. Oh, that's a lot of message. That's too much. No, bot, slow down. Okay, so it seems that the bot is functioning correctly. It is definitely spamming the channel with messages. So we're gonna have to reduce that. So the last piece of this project is to take a toxic classifier and plug it into our transcription module. This way, anytime somebody says something that's not quite wholesome, we can give them a little warning. Luckily, there are a ton of toxic classifiers in Hugging Face. I'm going to be using this one. So, all we need to do is load this model into a Hugging Face pipeline. Anytime we're done with transcription, we'll pass that text through this classifier, and if it comes out a little bit toxic, we tell our bot to play a sound. And here's the code to do that. To the Discord! Okay, bot is online, so let's test this out. Hey, bot, fuck you.
Toxic!
Alright, looks like it works. Let's take it into some games and see if we can't force some positivity into the situation. You are out of your goddamn mind if you think I'm going down there. Nope, no way in hell.
Toxic!
Alright. Okay, that got me. Yep, of course he has a fucking shotgun.
Toxic!
I think the shotgun was toxic. Why is there a fucking dragon in a zombie mode?
Toxic!
It's a fucking dragon! We're fighting zombies! Where the fuck did the dragons come?
Toxic!
Look, all I said was that not all remakes are bad.
Toxic!
Oh, come on, this is a good game. Fucking shotguns!
Toxic!
Yeah, I know.
Toxic!
But I didn't even say anything. I can't take it! I can't take it! Shut it off! Shut it off! It's only making me more toxic. So, in classic fashion, the deterrent actually fueled the action. Who would have guessed? So, even though this project was a bit of a wash, we did learn a lot of valuable lessons about making Discord bots, which will feed into future projects. A lot of good lessons learned here. So, I think this is a win. So, if you liked what you saw here today and are interested in seeing more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's not toxic to ask for subscribers!